Hi everyone, today I thought I'd show you something a little bit different and show you all the bits and pieces that I actually buy off Amazon for my crafting stuff, because I buy as much as possible from UK suppliers wherever I can, but sometimes, as much as I'd like everything that I need to be available from them, sometimes I get them from Amazon for pricing or because they have the things that I need rather than the suppliers. So like I said, I do try and support the UK ones as much as possible, and you'll always see them in my videos on a regular basis. But this is some of the stuff that I've been buying recently from Amazon, and I've got my Amazon store in the description boxes below, so all the links to all the products that I show in here will all be in the description box, and they'll be in my store for you to purchase, and it makes me a tiny little bit of money in my affiliate links, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So this week, excuse a little crinkling noise, I got this amazing Diamante mesh. And this is a really wide version, so you can actually build your bows from this. But this is 12 centimeters wide, or just under 5 inches. So it's perfect for making like the bigger mesh bows that you've seen. I really like this. I get it undone without making a mess everywhere in my room. Although if you could see the bit off camera, it's already a mess in my room. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is the back. So it's really pretty mesh that I'm going to be playing with. And it's called Diamante Mesh if you're searching yourself. So that's that one. That's a big wide one. And then I also got it in these 3 individual widths. And these, well, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are slightly skinnier. I've got a just under a centimetre one. So that's like 1/4 of an inch. And then, yeah, the next size is 1.5 centimetres, then just under 2, and then 3. And these ones are a little bit different because instead of having that like completely mesh back and front, so that's the back of that one, this one's like got a double-sided tape. So this is perfect for sticking onto the back of ribbon or onto headbands and stuff like that, and it's like a really strong double-sided tape that this is attached to. So it's a slightly different material, but like I said, it's still really pretty. And like I said, I've got all that on all the different sizes, the four different sizes. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. Do excuse rattling noise in the background if you can hear it. It's just all my rulers in my little pot knocking together. Okay, so that's those ones. And then I got this new, because I'm doing a new glue test, because I'm trying to find a better way to get my clays and whatnot to stick and make sure they're actually going to stick down. So I got this new industrial grade super glue that had really good reviews on Amazon. So I've been looking at that because I've been trying to find one that like fits more different types. Because the thing with super glue and all the glues, they're specifically designed to do specific things. Like some of it are designed to glue metal to wood and wood to such and such. So I've been looking for one that sort of attaches everything. And unfortunately, the ones that all the Portuguese ladies recommend, which is Tech Bond 3000, the Tech Bond 6000, I have searched the UK everywhere that I can possibly find, and I cannot find it in the UK. So if I ever do, then I'll be the first person in the UK to put those glues absolutely everywhere. But I can't trust all the ones in the UK, because I've been trying to make these, and like I said, whenever I see them in the videos over there, they're completely glued and they don't move at all. And this is a new glue, because I tried it with the Gorilla Glue, and I tried the gel, which is green top, I tried the blue top, and I tried the yellow top. And when I did it, when I twisted these, which is per lens, when I twisted them after they've been set for 24 hours, they literally just popped off. This new glue, this new industrial grade super glue, as you saw, I've rarely tried with that one on both ends, and they don't seem to be moving. So hopefully this is going to be a better option for this. And that's attaching those to these super skinny metal headbands. And again, I haven't seen these from any of my UK suppliers, so if any of you want to start stocking these, I really want these, because I've made this little pearl headband here. And the other thing is, it's from my glitter tape. Excuse a little, I was planning to attach something to it and I got a bit of glue on there. But with my glitter tape, I made my own glitter headband with matching ends instead of the black ends like some of them that you get. So I want some more of those headbands, so I've got to do another order. And then I also got some metal jewellery wire, because again I've got some more ideas with my mesh and with all the bits and pieces to do some bits and pieces with that. I got these super cute little ducks, and I unscrewed one of the little things, but they came with these little hooks on to attach them. And this is just some of the stuff that I've been doing, so I'll show you. So I've attached them to this bow here, super glued them to these bows, and made these super cute little duck clips here. So as you can see, had a lot of fun with those. So that's that. I also recently brought these super cute shaker ear headbands, and they came, I've got another one somewhere, I've got a yellow version, so I got 5 for like $6.99, and they came with these different variations of the headbands in the peach, like pinky tones, and they come so that they're detachable, so you can take them off. It takes a little bit of practice to get them off there, but you can get them on and off. So if you wanted to take them off and use them on something else like hair clips, they'd be perfect for that, and you can get them, I think I paid $5.99 or $6.99 for 6, so they weren't that bad if you can take in the consideration the shaker ears and these. And like I said, I'm thinking of taking some of these off and doing clips as well as a headband, and playing around with them and attaching like bows and decorations and all of that kind of stuff. And I'm then going to show you how to make your own shaker versions, and like whether or not it's worth paying the difference or like making your own, depending on how you work out. I also just got this order today because I've been thinking about Easter makes, but I'm still debating which ones I'm going to do. But I got a pack of these, and these are metallic hair clips. And now I've got glue I can trust, I'm tempted to sort of do like little half pearl embellishments around them and do like a little bow here maybe and glam them up a little bit. So I've got them in all these cute little colours, and I got 7 of these, and like they're really high quality, like they're proper high quality, they don't bend or move or anything like that. And I got all these cute colours, including these 2 pinky ones. But how cute are they? Especially once they're all decorated and jazzed up, they're going to look really pretty. So I got those. Can you tell I have like an Amazon Prime order nearly every day? Because I probably do. My 3 AM brain is, well, basically, during the day, I'm like, I'm not going to buy anything, I'm going to save my pennies, I shouldn't spend it on this, I shouldn't spend it on that, I shouldn't do such and such. At 3 AM, when I'm still awake overthinking things, my brain goes, what the heck, we're going to use it at some point, let's buy everything. So I also got these little clippy mini hair clips, and there was some more. I had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, got 10 of these, and the little clippy, and again I've got an idea for a tutorial for these. So that's what my plans for those are. Put them back on its little clip so I can put them all away. And then I've got to find space in my crafting room to put all this away. And I brought new crafting storage, and I've still run out of space. And if you saw how much my room was actually now just craft supplies, you'd be a bit horrified. But if I said that I had like 15 grand's worth of ribbon, materials and bow making supplies in my room, I wouldn't be under exaggerating, I'd probably be fairly accurate. Then I got these super cute keychains, and I've got 4-leaf clovers, is it 4-leaf clovers or 5-leaf clovers? Got some stars, I think I've got some love hearts, look, and I've got moons in the gold, I think I've got moons in the silver, stars in the silver, moons in the silver. So I've got all these ones like little keychains because I thought they'd be really cute for a tutorial again. Haven't got a clue what tutorial it's going to be, but I'm going to use them in a tutorial. Just got to decide which one. So I've got those. And then you saw these, I just did the duck ones. for these, but I've got some ideas for using these style ones for like leftover little bits of material that you've got, whether or not it be ribbon or yeah, fabric leatherettes and things like that. But I got them in gold, and I also got them in silver. There's one of my gold ones loose everywhere. And then I got 5 of these, which are similar to those skinny headbands that you just saw earlier, but I got the doubled versions. So I was contemplating seeing what I could do. This was what the point of the wire wrap was, because I thought I can wrap the wires and wrap all my pearls and all my different bits and pieces into them. So I've got 5 of them. I've also got 2 different versions of these pearl sets, and I've got like white and off-white, and I've got a different variation of these, and I've got some coloured versions of these as well. And again, I've got some of those like fabric headbands that you can actually stitch them into. So that was my plans for those. And then I got these glow in the dark. They're meant to be nail kits, but I thought they'd be perfect for like little mini fillers on shaker bows. And can you see these? I don't know if you can. Bring them up close to the camera. They're little tiny, like foiled autumn leaves in all different colours. And then these ones are stars and moons and hearts and everything, but these are actually glow in the dark. And then I just got some really basic like holographic-y, like shiny ones. And again, like I said, they're technically nail clips, but like I said, I thought they'd be perfect as like little fillers, because like I said, you've got the matching ones, you've got like stars and stars, hearts and hearts, etc. So I got all of them. And then I've also brought recently my bead looming kit, which I've also got all the matching beads and everything. I brought a bunch of them, but I couldn't find them for the video. But I've got all of them everywhere as well. And then I also regularly buy from Amazon. These are my favourite wide headbands that I do for my bullet headbands. My knotted bullet headbands and my scrunched bullet headbands. And these are 2-inch wide headbands, which is my preferred size for my heads and like adult sizes. You can get some from the UK, but I tend to like 10 or 12 packs like these come. So sometimes I will buy from Amazon rather than from. But again, it's personal choices, it's which one you've got more access to, etc, things like that. But any video that I do, if I use a particular supplier in it and show you products from their store, I will always tag them and put the store and the store link in the description for you, so it's always there if you want to know where I get things from. But that is all my little Amazon haul, and like I said, that is just the recent purchases. That's not like every Amazon thing that I do. But if you want a full craft tour, craft room update, I'll literally show you, because like I said, I've got new fabrics, I've got new materials, I've branched out from just bullet, I've got cotton, I've got DPT, I've got 2-way stretch, 4-way stretch, I've got fur, I've got leatherettes, I've got like pattern leatherettes, plains, glitters, I've got like 60 different types of alligator, well about 10 different types of alligator clip, curved, gold, silver, you name it, I've got it in my room somewhere. I can even show you all my templates, my big shot stuff, everything. If you want to see it, just put in the comments below, I want to see a new updated craft room tour, and I will show you everything, including like all my drawers and everything that I hide all my extra bits away in, because I've got so much, it's absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, thanks for watching, bye.